The Battle of Samar Kitchens program has been one of the greatest employee and client interaction programs we've ever had. It's brought up great competition between our teams, camaraderie, and direct connection with people we love, the clients that provide us, the living we have. But there definitely was a down period with the pandemic. We lost all of our steam. The wind came out of all of our sails, and life as we knew it had changed for a good period of time. We're so thankful to see all of that in the rear-view mirror. Today, we bring back the Battle of Samar Kitchens, the camaraderie of it all, and the competition. And we are so thankful to have you, our clients, here to experience and participate.
The pandemic, it changed a lot because we got to regroup, recreate, and just work with whatever we can get, being the fact that so many things was unreachable. You have to get accustomed to what's happening around the world. It's to bring back what we had before and let people start to come in and do more business. But recently we start to see it start to improve a lot more.
I was working in a nice seafood restaurant and COVID hit, and so I was unemployed for a while, but then I came here and I've been here for 3 years. You know, it was tough for a long time. When I first got here, I was the only one in the kitchen. I worked, I cooked, I did the dishes and everything, but now there's no way that could happen because the business is just getting better and better. People are getting back out, and it's really good to see.
Before the pandemic, we were really busy, but then everything came down to zero. So it was tough. Coming back was like a ramp up. You know why? Because people were still afraid to go to the bars or go to the restaurants. So, you know, it's been a little bit like a ramp up.
The pandemic was rough. We went from full service to me being serving, cooking, washing dishes. I didn't know we were going to see the light at the end of the tunnel.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Battle of the Samar Kitchens. Marco Polo's West. Aloft Delray Beach. Super's Bar and Grill. Marco Polo's East. Our chefs compete in a 3-course competition. The winning kitchen will receive $3,000, the champion trophy, and coveted bragging rights. Tonight, it all comes down to your vote.
All right, folks, welcome to the 2023 Battle of the Samar Kitchens.